Hello students, welcome to Decluttered. Today we will be solving the 8th question from JEE Advanced 2025 paper 1 math section. This question is from sets and relations. You can pause the video and give it a try by yourself. Alright, before we start, let us quickly recap what transitive, reflexive and symmetric relations are. So the first one is transitive relation. Let us take a relation R from a set S onto itself. A relation R is said to be transitive if there for three distinct elements A, B, C from the set S, if the relation AB and the relation BC exist, then AC also exists. This is what a transitive relation is. The next one is reflexive. Reflexive relation is basically a self mapping. That is, if an element A belongs to the set S, then the element A comma A will exist in the relation R. Alright, the third one is symmetric. Symmetric relations are defined as if for two distinct elements A, B belonging to S, if A comma B exists in the relation, then B A also exists. So now that we are clear on what transitive, reflexive and symmetric relations are, let us use these definitions. It is given that we have the set A, B, C, D, E, F and we have the relation R on them, such that R is reflexive and symmetric and contains exactly 10 elements. We need to find the total number of such relations R. So let us try and do that. Usually, I find it easiest to study relations on finite sets using tabular columns. So let us look at this. So we have our set A, B, C, D, E and F. So let me draw a table. On this side I have the input and here the output. As the set is mapping onto itself, we know that we will have 6 elements on each side. So A, B, C, D, E, F on this side, and also A, B, C, D, E, F on this side. Now I will use a cross mark to indicate that a relation is an element is part of R. Okay. So let us look back at the question. It is given that R is reflexive. From the definition of reflexive relation, if an element belongs to S, then AA is always existing. So here we can see that there are 6 total elements A, B, C, D, E, F, and because the relation is reflexive, all these elements on the diagonal will be present. So AA, BB, CC, DD, EE and FF will exist in R. Now one more restriction that we have been given is there are exactly 10 elements in the relation, but we have already found 6 of them. So we need to find 4 more. We need to find 4 more elements. Another thing that is given is that this relation is symmetric in nature. Therefore, if let us say I included this element in the relation, then we that is DA, then I would also have to include AD relation. So now what this helps us conclude is that if I choose any random element from the bottom part of the table, then that will also automatically be included in the top part. What I mean to say is that I only need to find 2 elements in the bottom half of the table in order to find a total of 10 elements, as if I find any one element, then automatically in the top half that the symmetrically opposite element will be included. So, we can see that there are a total of 15 options to choose from, right, and we have to make only 2 choices. Therefore, the total number of relations R will be equal to 15 C2, which will be 15 factorial by 13 factorial 2 factorial, or 15 into 14 divided by 2, which is 105. Therefore, the answer to this question is 105. Hope you liked this solution. If you did, please leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.